Okay, so in this exercise, we're going to go through the standing hip car. So what we're going to look to do is to use a prop for support, whether it's an unstable prop like this, or whether you've got something that's really stable. I would suggest using a very stable prop, because then it takes like a little bit of pressure then off the opposite hip. That's going to have to do a lot more work to kind of keep you upright. So my suggestion is get something which is solid, whether you hold on to a frame or a table or anything that's just really not going to be able to move a great deal. So you're going to hold on to there on one side, okay, and then from there it's the opposite leg that you're going to then move out. So if we're holding on with the right arm, then it's the left leg that's going to go and do now the work, okay? So from that position then, what we're going to look to do is we're going to start off from the front, and we're going to cross the leg over, okay, like so, and then we're just going to start off on an angle like this, okay, yeah, so the toes, are coming inwards towards the body there, all right, and then so from there, what we're going to look to do is just to then, in that position, is to lift the leg up, try get the knee almost kind of on line there with the thigh, okay, yeah, and the hip itself, and then we're going to bring that leg across, bring the leg across, and then as we bring this leg across, we're then going to start to change the direction of where the foot goes, and we're going to turn the foot outwards like so. We're going to bring that round, all the way round, pulling the leg back, and then bringing it back all the way in to the bottom, and then we're going to go then in reverse. So we're then going to bring that foot back, bringing it back, we're then going to bring it round, turning it out, and now we're going to start bringing it in as we're bringing it along, and then back down, across, and to the other side like so, okay? So remember, you're starting off in that position from there, on the inside, lifting it up, bringing the knee up nice and high, on line with the hip, the foot is coming inwards towards the body, bringing it out, and then as you're bringing it out, start changing direction, bringing the foot outwards, bringing it round, and then back in, all the way then to the start, and then reverse back again, okay? Like I say, if you've got something that's really solid and stable to hold on to, it will be a lot easier, because what you will find that this leg and this hip will fatigue when you're trying to kind of bring yourself around in that position there. So, suggestion is, take your time, control it all the way through, nice and slow, nice and controlled, do 10 repetitions on one side, change over, 10 repetitions on the other, okay? So, get to it.